What is up, guys? Today we're going to, well, explore mountain biking. I don't know where, don't know what, but me and a couple of my mates are going mountain biking, so enjoy.
My guy's here, nearly painting.
Ready when you are. Yep. Send it. Ready? I'll take it. Send it. 3, 2. Come on, man. Alright, let's send it. 2. It's straight one. What the fuck? Whoa. Let's go. That way. Send it. Send the ball.
Right, I'll see you boys.
Alright, see you in the one. This is so going on YouTube.
Let us feel those feelings that were felt once before. Let me mend your heart that was once full. Oh, let us fix the issues that were left outside the door. Let us learn to heal rather than to ignore. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. I wanna lift you up, I'm gonna set you down, I'm gonna take your hand and spin you round and round. I'm gonna open my arms and open my ears. I'm gonna listen to your stories, wipe away your tears. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
hell, Connor?
It's good.
Fucking Jesus Christ, boys! Oh no. Fucking hell, Jake. My joke's not loud. Don't fucking let him.
Didn't I say we had
Good boy. Put it back.
Didn't I say we had been in a while?